grain storage, handling, and worldwide distribution. Agricultural fertilizers and farmer services. Golf course and professional turf care products. Lawn care and garden products. Cob milling, pet bedding, and cat litters. Rail car and locomotive leasing and repair. General merchandise retailing. A diverse group of businesses, each dynamic, driven, and dedicated to the idea that a company is more than the sum of its parts. Welcome to the Andersons. Today and tomorrow, we're growing places. Today, the Andersons is a billion-dollar enterprise encompassing a diverse blend of businesses. But it began over 50 years ago with one clear vision of how to run a business, and that has made all the difference. In 1947, the Andersons' first grain elevator began operation in Maumee, Ohio. It was an immediate hit with local farmers. From that first elevator with a capacity of 500,000 bushels until the present with a storage capacity of 80 million bushels in 14 elevators throughout Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, and Indiana, the Andersons has grown to be one of the largest grain handlers in the nation. The success of that first grain elevator was directly responsible for another enterprise, general merchandising. In 1952, the first Anderson store, the Warehouse Market, opened to great success. Today, the Andersons operate 6 retail stores that average 125,000 square feet each and stock over 80,000 different items. Using the theme, More for Your Home, the Anderson stores draw millions of loyal customers who come from miles around and drive past major retail competitors to shop for and purchase from an incredible variety of products. From lawn trimmers to fine wines, hammers and nails to a complete home improvement selection, including kitchen and bathroom cabinets, lighting fixtures, and more. Over the years, the Andersons has gained a reputation as the store that has it all, including friendly and knowledgeable staff, and has it at the right price. It all adds up to providing everyday value and destination shopping at its best. By the mid-1950s, the Andersons' rapidly growing grain handling business made it necessary to add another elevator on the Maumee River at the Port of Toledo. Today, the Andersons is the nation's single largest grain shipper on the Great Lakes. In addition to sending millions of bushels of grain to points all around the globe, our busy Toledo terminal receives and distributes over 100,000 tons of liquid and dry fertilizer products to agricultural dealers and distributors each year. As the grain business grew, the Andersons began developing business-critical transportation expertise. It was the need for efficient, economic transportation that fostered the growth of an enterprise that currently controls thousands of rail cars rolling over tracks throughout the U.S. and Canada. The company buys, repairs, sells, manages, and leases rail cars to fleet owners as well as to many of the best-known railroad companies in North America. The core grain handling business also supplied the foundation for the company's agricultural fertilizer business. The idea of working through a network of dealers to help our farmer customers improve their yields was an early success for the company and has continued to grow both in scope and sophistication. Today, the Andersons formulates and distributes nearly 1.5 million tons of dry and liquid fertilizers every year. These products are shipped to a network of hundreds of dealers and distributors served by over a dozen wholesale operations located throughout the Eastern Corn Belt. We've also strategically located farm centers in Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana. These centers offer an extensive menu of products and services vital to successful crop production. Our decision to enter the agricultural fertilizer business has proven to be valuable to our customers and beneficial to our shareholders. Leveraging our experience in agricultural fertilizers, we've built a national reputation and market position as a top quality producer of turf care and garden fertilizer products. On the consumer side, we private label lawn and garden products for some of the biggest names in mass merchandising. Anderson's produced lawn and garden fertilizers are sold using various store brand names and packaging in nearly 18,000 retail stores across the country. In fact, the Andersons is the nation's #1 private labeler of these popular products. On the professional side, golf course superintendents who have to meet the stringent demands of golf club members while balancing concerns for the environment have found the Andersons' professional turf products provide the widest variety of solutions they need. And the same is true for other turf professionals tending cemeteries, schools and parks, sports complexes, and other commercial and municipal properties. They all know they can count on the Andersons products to perform to their expectations and beyond. And in one of the best examples of our determination to seek out and develop opportunities for growth, the Andersons has found many profitable uses for corn cobs, which were once considered waste. Our corn cob milling operations convert cobs into a wide variety of useful products. These range from absorbents used in industrial and hazardous material cleanups to pet bedding. From grain storage, handling, and worldwide distribution to agricultural fertilizer processing, distribution, and application services. From railroads to retail, from raw material processing to product development and distribution. The Andersons has been on the move for over 50 years, seeking out new opportunities while continuing to do those things that brought us to this place in the road. Exceeding customer expectations, doing the right things for the right reasons, respecting employees and motivating them to succeed, and providing our shareholders with a good return on the investments they've made in our future. The Andersons. Today and tomorrow, we're growing places.